morning, students. Today again we are going to continue with the chapter Matter in Our Surrounding. This may be second last lecture of the chapter. Now the next topic is sublimation. Sublimation is a process which involves direct conversion of solid into gaseous state on heating and vice versa on cooling with no temperature change without passing through the liquid state. Like if solid changes directly into vapors, then without going into liquid state, that is heating, that is sublimation, and vice versa, like vapors on cooling directly changes into solid state, so that is also sublimation, right? Like ammonium chloride, naphthalene ball, all these are the example. When we in summers we keep our winter clothes, we put naphthalene ball inside our clothes. Why? So that the silverfish, it does not get damage our clothes. So what happened? The solid naphthalene ball, it changes directly into fumes, vapors, and it prevents our clothes from silverfish, right? So they disappear when we open in the winters the clothes. We see that there is no naphthalene ball there, it disappears. So solid directly changes into vapors. Now we will do one activity related to sublimation. In this activity, this is activity 1.13 of your NCERT. In this activity, what you will do? You will take a funnel, inverted funnel, and you will plug its stem by the cotton plug. And in a china dish, you will take impure sample of ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is NH4Cl, right? Now, you will take a tripod stand and below it you will light a Bunsen burner. Cover the china dish with the inverted funnel and start hitting it. You will see after some time the ammonium chloride, solid ammonium chloride, directly changes into vapors and it goes into the stem of inverted funnel, and these vapors then further cool and condense and start depositing inside the inner side of the funnel. It means the solid, it directly changes into vapor on heating, and on cooling the vapor, they cool and condense and start changing into solid. So the process is sublimation. So this is important activity related to the sublimation of ammonium chloride. It is included in 3 marks, this activity. It may come in exam, right? Next is effect of change of pressure. Now, what is the effect of pressure? Now, if we apply pressure and we lower the temperature, the gases like CO2, it directly changes into solid state. So that is solid CO2, which is known as dry ice, right? So dry ice is stored and under high pressure, right? Next is, so we have studied the 3 states of matter, right? First was fusion, second was solidification, third was condensation, and the last one, fourth one, is the sublimation. Now next topic is evaporation. Now what is evaporation? You must have studied in lower classes evaporation. It is a common term. Evaporation, you say that evaporation is change of liquid into vapors, and it takes place at any temperature below boiling point. In the case of water, we say that. So phenomena of, what you will define? It is the phenomena of change of liquid into vapors. Change of liquid into vapors basically, and at any temperature, I am saying at any temperature, but temperature below its boiling point. Below its boiling point, so that is known as evaporation. Now there are few factors which affect evaporation. So what are these factors? We will discuss them one by one. Number 1 is surface area. So surface area, you must have seen when you dry the clothes After washing, what do? You spread the clothes. Why you spread the clothes? To increase the surface area. So when you increase the surface area, the evaporation process, it takes faster and the clothes, they dry faster. So greater is the surface area, and greater is the rate of evaporation, or higher is the rate of evaporation, right? So in this way, there are a few more factors. We will continue in the next class, right? Thank you.